Hi everyone. So I'll just give the quick demo of whatever I built in this hackathon. So yeah, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible. So basically, I choose this one problem, that is large context handling in agentic system. As we know that all the LLMs which you are using in the agentic systems has one limitation, that is their limited window context length, right? A token, limited token for the window. So, in most of the agentic system where people are using right now, where they might be calling the tools, or they might be calling to external APIs, or they might be calling they might be adding any files or something which has a huge data. In such cases, we could see a lot of failures in terms of data losing data. Right, the LLMs is not able to capture all the data as the limited token size. So for that one, what I thought of, like, let's create one healthcare agent platform where I created two agents here. One is appointment agent and second is pre-assessment agent. So basically, in the appointment agent, any patient can directly um, interact with this appointment agent and book their appointments. And here the issue is the big hospitals, when they are booking appointment, if the patient is going to big hospital, like for a big hospital, if the agent they are giving, say for any specific department, there might be so many doctors, right? 20 doctors. So in the resource calendar, in the backend things where they might be creating the slots for doctors, that might be huge. If the patient is not sure about which doctor to go, they'll simply chat with the appointment agent and say, I get the list of available slots for a specific date in the dental department. In such cases, whatever agent we have created, that will call a tool. The tool will go to the hospital backend database, or wherever the slots are present. It will fetch all the slots, right? That slot might have a lot of information: doctor name, slot ID, start time, end time, and status, and all those things that would be on JSON. So if there are 20 doctors, for they might be have 5 minutes of slot for each from per day. There might be a huge slot. If we return all those and feed it to LLM, obviously it will exceed the LLM context length, right? So in such cases, how I handle it, and I'll show it in the demo itself. So here is of now I used one Cloud API only. Here I created some tables, a patient table where the basic information, patients, mRNA images are there, and simply for doctor table also created. And main important is the resource calendar. Here, all the slot IDs, started and date, and the slot status, and the patient ID and the department here. So here I added a lot of dental doctor just to get into our use cases. So I did a lot of dental this one for 17 October. So I'll just show it how it is working. So I'll go to the page only. I'll just open appointment agent. Yeah, let's say I yes, I'm registered. Okay, so they might be asking. So I'll take the one patient existing patient phone number so that it will be easy. So the agent might be agent is like to fetch the detail. They are using the phone number of the patient. So the detail. Yeah. So in the backend, I created the tools to interact with the agent itself, and it will fetch the details for the specific numbers where whatever it is. So it is correctly John Doe is the patient. So I'll say I need to book appointment in dental department. Dental department on 17 October 2025. Can you give me the available slots? If I say this now, normally it should go and it will. I didn't mention any doctor name here specifically. Yeah, I just said dental department, so it will go to all the doctor, it will need to usually fetch all the slots available for all the doctors. So it will be huge data, right? But what I did is I chunked it, I summarize it, then only I'm showing to the patient without losing the data. See how I am showing? Yeah, this see, instead of showing one by one, is the actual response from the tool was like slot ID, doctor name, department name, then start date, end date for each slot. So if we keep for each slot, it will obviously increase the this one. So instead of that, in the backend, it's like summarized. I kept it in a memory management and adding this way. Now I can drill down. The user can drill down and ask, okay, give for Dr. Amulya only. Dr. Amulya, what do we find? That will give only Dr. Amulya slots. See all this Dr. Amulya slots is there. Here also I am checking the context LLM length. If it is exceeding here also I am summarizing and giving it. Say now if I say Dr. Amulya's 17 October 8:5 to 8 a.m. I want to book this event. I'll just say please book this slot. Book this slot. What is the slot ID? Is 131. My appointment is booked. If I go there and if I go to resource calendar, if I go there, what was this one? I'll stop this one. 8:22 at 25 am, at 22 or 25 am. Slot ID is 145. 145. So 145 has been booked. So here this slot has been booked. So this is the way which I'm drill downing and only showing the content which is less than the content length of LLM. Now here one more thing I want to show is see now if I say hi please yes arrange a ground floor room for my appointment when I'm coming to hospital. I'm coming to hospital. Yes, I can't. Yes, I have some issues in my leg, so can't climb. Um, I'll just simply say as I issue in my leg. So here, what I'm doing is I just shared one information with the booking agent, right? I said when I come for appointment, please give my appointment in the first ground floor only, so that I don't need to climb on the first floor or the up floor. So if I say this, so this is the information which I shared with the appointment agent. Okay, so this has been shared with the appointment agent. Now, if my booking has been done, now if I go to hospital and I ask for go for pre-assessment, I need to communicate with the pre-assessment, right? I will say hi. I just need to give my number, same number. This is a patient which I came where I'll give the patient date used. First one Jodo only. Hmm. So here, this is the second agent we have. See, this agent is automatically getting the information which I shared right now. This is the pre-assessment agent, which is might be present. Once I reach the hospital, I need to, as a patient, I need to do my pre-assessment. So here this agent is already aware about the communication which has happened with the appointment agent. I asked appointment agent, that I had some leg issues and I could not climb this one. So this agent has this information got from the context sharing information. This data I am not bringing from DB, and in DB there is no data which I share, which I am saving this conversation which is happening between agent and the patient. So this is what I wanted to show is the context sharing between two agents which I am doing here. So here that's it. Rest of the things I won't show here. A simple rest of the thing I just need to add the medical history, complaint, allergy, and other things in the pre-assessment. In the pre-assessment will do here. One thing I needed to show is see this information like issue information has been get to this agent. This is the second agent from the appointment agent. So that's it from my side as of now. This is the demo. Thank you.